Alrighty guys, so today what we have here is a 52-inch FASCO Charleston second generation ceiling fan. The light kit, that's a whole different story. That came from another fan. It came off of a Craft-Made Decorative, so I've retrofitted it to fit this. A little mix of eras, but FASCO sold light kits like this. I just didn't feel like paying for one on eBay. And this is what we're left with. So this thing did come with its original mounting, but the canopy was all screwed up. So it's on a long down rod. But it works for what it is. Alright, let's go low, let's go to medium. It's a really nice fan. Really nice. You can see it's in reverse right now because it's freezing cold outside. Alright, let's go too high. Does a little wobble, but you know, FASCO's are known for wobbling. Most of them. At least the Charlestons. I know a lot of Charlestons that wobble. Alright, in high speed. It flies on high speed. And let's turn it off. And spin down. But yeah, it's a really nice fan. Intentions, it's going to stay here possibly. It's probably going to stay in this one location. So I got this fan while I was on vacation. Came with a simple turtle fitter, as you saw. Then I put a schoolhouse on it with a floral globe, and it lived in my laundry room for a while. And now it's here. So as is slowly but surely coming. Slowly but surely coming to a stop. Bearings are actually really good in this thing, but not as good as $18.95 in the back. You don't outbeat those bearings. And there we go. Alright, if you want to see more videos of fan demonstrations, please tell me, because I'm getting tired of doing demonstrations and I need inspiration. So, if you want more demonstrations, do tell me of what fans to demonstrate. And I'll see you guys in the next video.